All right, getting started with reassembly. Brand new power valve. That's gonna go in first. Of course, come on, bitch. Good on the seal, there it goes. Perfection. Get that in, snug that down, and then wipe down our cover, and it's gonna go. Can't see down there because I already put the float and the new needle in the seat. And it has the actual good ones that have a point, as opposed to our old ones that have a little rubber chingaderia. So that's good. Jets are in the back already too. I'm gonna assemble that needle and seat and float. Then we're gonna put our boosters and squirters, get our top on, and then do our accelerator pump and all that jazz. Installed the pump check ball and the screw and seal. Check ball for the squirter. Oops, I missed. Wrong hole, bud. It's okay, I got extra balls. Be here all week, 2 drink minimum. Done, accelerator pump done. Coming along. Just assembled our new diaphragm and arm. Where the hell did the old one go? Oh, it's right here. It was ripped on the son of a bitch. It was ripped on the edge and right there. It's kind of ripped all the way around because it probably wasn't done right. Drove the roll pin in for the diaphragm. Put the cover with the spring back on. And we gonna be styling, yo. Pop that back.